All right, transition math students, so this is lesson 5-7. Go ahead and get this sheet of paper out. We're going to start down here, and it is called Understanding X plus Y equals K. And go ahead and get your thing out, and we're going to first do an example. We normally have been looking at equations where we're solving for X. So that's what we've been doing kind of on this snow break and everything, and then X plus 3 equals a number and how to solve for X. This one, they throw in two variables, and the two variables are X and Y. So when X changes, Y changes. So there's different solutions to this one. And what we're going to do is we're going to graph that. I'm going to show you that whenever you have an equation like this, it's going to graph in a straight line, okay? So the easiest way to graph these types of equations, we're going to start with this one, we'll do some other ones, is to plug in numbers. I always love to plug in the easiest number ever. And so I'm going to choose X equals 0. Okay, 0 is a wonderful number to choose. And we can easily see on this equation, if X equals 0, 0 plus what equals 10? Well, in this equation, Y would have to be 10. Because 0 plus 10 equals 10. And then what I'm going to do is, it's a little bit redundant, but these are going to be coordinates that we're going to graph over on this page, or this graph over here. So because my X coordinate is going to be 0, the Y is 10, so it's 0, 10. So let's choose X equals 1. Easy enough. We know if X is 1, then Y would equal 9 on this one. And we could keep going. We can go X equals 2. This is going to be 8. So 2, 8. And 3, 7, because 3 plus 7 is 10. 3, 7. Okay, so let's just stop with that. We could keep going a long ways. But let's go ahead and plot some of these points and see what they look like on this graph. Pretend like I have graph paper here. So the first point that we're going to graph, and you can do this on your paper as well, is 0, 10. Remember, the X coordinate is 0, and this is your X axis. So we don't go anywhere here for the X, but for the Y, Y to the sky, this is your Y, this is your X, you always need to remember that, is 10. So it's 0, 10, we put a point right here. All right, so the next one is 1, 9, and so 1 would be in between 0 and 2, and then 9 would be between 8 and 10, and then 2 and 8, we'll just keep doing this. And when you have nice, neat graph paper, these numbers will turn into a straight line. So this is going to be a straight line that actually goes like this. So if I had a ruler and everything was neat, it's going to be a straight line. So all the points on this line equal 10. If I take 6, then this should wind up being at 4, because 6 plus 4 is 10. So all of the points on this line satisfy the equation X plus Y is 10. So you can go, when X is 10, Y is 0, and so on and so forth. So we'll continue doing a couple more examples. Go ahead and turn the page and watch the next video, and we'll do examples 2 and 3.